Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wendy Geldy on the beat, sir. Y'all know already. So today we are going to learn how to create custom highlight covers for Instagram, and this is an updated one. Like, I have one on my channel already that I did, but I think that one is too long. Like, it's too long to memorize and all that. But I have a new one which is a little bit simpler. That is why I call it an updated video tutorial of how to do highlights, blah blah blah, whatever stuff. So without further ado, we're going to get into the video right now. So we are going to use like two apps, which is Eraser and Phonto. First of all, you would want to choose a background for your highlight cover. So you can go to anything, each color, because that's what I really love. I have nails on. I was researching on something. This dead girl. So wallpaper, you can choose any color. You can just choose basically anything. You can go to Pinterest, take anything, any background that you like. Okay, just choose it. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose a background for my highlight cover. I don't know if this was the one that I choose. I think this was the one that I made. So add photos. Yeah, so there you go. So the next thing you want to do right now, since we already have the picture because you've saved it, we have the picture inside here. So what you want to do next is, what icons are we going to use? Now let me show you guys my own Instagram. So this is how my Instagram looks like. The highlights covers, y'all see how cute it is. So if you want this type of one that has the icons in it, just keep watching. Okay, just keep watching, because this is the video for you. This is very easy to do. So now we are going to go further, and you will want to go to Google. Let's say, for example, we would like to start with YouTube. I did not put YouTube here, first of all, because I've not yet done a highlight on YouTube. So we would go on here and put YouTube white and black. Oh shit, white and black icon is gonna arrange. So we're going to go, and this is what you're going to have. You can choose any icon you want here and stuff like that. So the icon I choose, I think, was this one. So you can just go to any icon. It's already transparent, so you click add photos. We're going to take another one. Let's say, for example, we want a heart, white heart, no, black and white heart. Black and white heart. I must end black, like the fur is black. So we're going to take this one. Let's say we can take this one, right? Let's just say this one. So you add photos. Now this is what I'll teach you. If you guys have taken an icon that has a white background, it's not transparent, if you see any white color, you have to remove it. Okay, so that it's gonna be looking so professional. So to remove the white color, you just go to Eraser. Where's Eraser? You just go to Eraser, and then you click on photos. Then you click on this, you press erase and press target area, which is just down here. When you press target area, the color that you pick is the color that's gonna go everywhere. So I'm gonna pick white, and it's going to go. Press again, white, and it's going to go. You need something plain like this in a transparent background. So the square background that you're seeing, it means it's a transparent background. So we're going to press done and press save to gallery. Done. We save it in our camera roll, and we're good to go. We can now start making our highlight covers. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Phonto, Once you go to Phonto, go to camera and go to photo album. When you go to photo album, you press the background that you're going to use for your story highlights. So you're going to go to done, and once you go to done, what you're going to do is to press this three, like this layer here, which is 3 of them, and press add image. You click on add image. When you click on add image, you're going to click on each of the icons, like you're going to make it like, you know, one at a time. So we will take YouTube and put it. You're going to resize it. You can resize it, but either ways it's okay. So you can do it like this, and there you go. You have your highlight cover. So if you want to put it, you don't mind like putting it in the circle or whatever. When you want to like put it, edit your highlight as a highlight cover. Okay, let's just try and like edit it. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one because I don't have YouTube. Remove. Let's put the heart. So the heart will be this. So we're going to position the heart here, and yeah, there we go. You're already done with your highlight cover. That's easy to do. And now the next thing you want to do is to save it. Save image as PNG or whatever. So now I'm going to show you how to put it. Though I have a highlight cover already, I'm still going to do it for y'all. So this is mine that I did. So what you're going to do is to go to your highlight. Oh my god, you press it for long instead, and go to edit highlight, edit cover, and then this is the one that I did. You see, it already comes in a circle, so you just need to, that's the one that we just did. It already comes in a circle. You just need to put it, and then boom, when you press done, it comes as it is. I'm not gonna press done because I already have a highlight cover. I don't want to lose it. So this is my highlight cover that I did, which is okay for me. And yes, don't mind the girl you just see in front of you. So that's it for how to do custom highlight Instagram covers. It is very easy and it is very, very amazing. Follow me on the gram, by the way. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and also hit a like button if this video was helpful for you, and comment down below if you want to like, if you like the video, like comment down below on if you want to see more types of video like this. So thank you all for watching, and I really hope it helps you guys. It's a very easy method. So take care and see you guys in the next video. I forgot.